Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a content curation system using Airtable. With the right system, you can streamline your content marketing efforts and stay organized. The first step is to create a new base in Airtable. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. The reason we do this is to have a clean slate where we can build our content curation system exactly how we want it. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating our tables. We'll need 3 tables: Sources, Content, and Calendar. In the Sources table, list all the places where you gather content from. In the Content table, you'll keep track of the content you've curated. And in the Calendar table, you'll schedule when to publish the content. This helps us because it keeps everything in one place and makes our content processes much more manageable. Next up, we're going to set up the fields for each table. For the Sources table, you'll need fields like name, URL, and type. For the Content table, include fields such as title, source, URL, publish date, and notes. Finally, for the Calendar table, have fields like date, content, and status. The reason we do this is to have all the necessary information for each piece of content at our fingertips. Now that we've set up our tables, it's time to link them together. In your Content table, create a field for source and make it a linked record to the Sources table. Similarly, in your Calendar table, create a content field that links to the Content table. This helps us because it connects all our information together, making it easy to trace a piece of content back to its source or find out when it's scheduled to be published. Finally, let's create some views. Airtable allows you to create different views of your tables, like a calendar view for your calendar table or a Kanban view for your content table. This helps us because it allows us to visualize our content in different ways and stay on top of our content marketing efforts. And there you have it. You've just created a content curation system in Airtable. With this system, you can keep your content organized, streamline your processes, and stay on top of your content marketing game. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep curating.